So now we are in the prestigious city of Singapore. We are just by the side of this Merlion. As you can see, the lion on that side pouring water through his mouth. And we are soon after our presentation yesterday at the ICTD conference. We presented our FabLanka plans, and I have Chaminda here with me, and one of the pioneering members of our group, FabLanka group. So, Chaminda, what do you think, when you think of what we have achieved all this time, what do you think of our past?
Yeah,
what have you achieved?
Yeah, maybe 1 year ago, we didn't know what really fabrication, digital manufacturing, fabrication, digital fabrication, FabLab. We were not very much informed about those terms 1 year ago. But during last 12 months, we kind of got upgraded, informed about the excellence of digital manufacturing, digital fabrication, as well as FabLab. So now a lot of people think 3D printing is just printing the objects, but now what we have learned is actually those things can change societies. Now, for example, in case of Sri Lanka, now the way we look at manufacturing, the way we look at our economy, the way we look at how how we solve some development challenges. Now we have realized that those things can be actually done with innovative ways, particularly using digital fabrication. Now, in addition to all this knowledge transfer and awareness and education, we also learned, we actually developed a team of young experts, young professionals from different disciplines to be able to handle such transformation and such projects. So I think I'm very happy about the development of now. And with the event we had today, for the first time we introduced our project, our the venture to the outside world, particularly to international community.
So, what do you think? What are your plans in the medium term to the long term future?
Right now, in terms of developing our FabLanka as a social enterprise, we have decided to plan it in a phase-wise approach. So we plan for next 1 year, and then we do the refined plan for the next years. So I'm not very sure. Of course, we have not decided how we will go into details, but as general guidelines, now we want to use digital fabrication for development, particularly to underserved communities in the rural areas, and also mainly from poor-affected areas also, mainly as a development project to empower them and how train them to find out new ways of livelihoods, find out new ways of, they will innovate themselves, how they can use those tools and techniques to do things, but we want to particularly focus on those development elements. And as a part of that, we also want to train our people. We need more people from financial background, accounting, legal aspect. This is not just a project of only of engineers or computer scientists. So we need more broad spectrum of professionals working with us. I'm sure in the next stage we'll also expand more like professionals. Also, we want to also communicate, cooperate and coordinate with government, non-government organizations, private sector, and international communities and donors. So I think actually our success will be depending on how we effectively we do during next 2 to 3 years, and I need actually everybody's help and support in realizing that. But finally, I just want to say maybe within 5 years' time, we will realize, we will understand that how digital technology can actually change Sri Lankan society, society with knowledge and digital economy. I think I invite you to also take part in this project, or maybe you can start your own project. Because we will not be only you who will be doing that, but I want you to think seriously about how digital manufacturing in general can change life, and I invite you to join with us to learn and do things together.
Okay, thank you very much, Chaminda.